Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks so much for joining us for our special Weather Watch update brought to you today from the Country TV studios. So let's have a look and see what's going on with Pam lying out over here towards the Chatham Islands. Winds between 100 and 130 k's an hour for them. The news media are all over it today. I don't know where the news media are with all the big southerly storms that the Chatham Islands get, which are almost equally as strong. But anyway, rough weather for them today. I know Civil Defence is activated out there, so we wish them all the best. It's going to be a big blast for about 24 hours, maybe even a little bit longer as that storm sits away out there. But it is weakening still with every sort of 12 to 24 hours. Around New Zealand itself, across the mainlands anyway, we've got showers, heavy ones coming in towards northern parts of the country across Tuesday afternoon, and they'll clear away towards Tuesday night. And a few showers lingering elsewhere are also clearing away. All right, take a look now at the swell map. So I want to show you this one because this is Pam and pushing in towards the North Island. So it's out here, big swells, 6 to 8 metres in this block. That was the area that was over East Cape yesterday. So we're seeing the swells easing now. That's good news for the surfers who are really into this stuff. It's still dangerous. In fact, we're suggesting people, no matter how good you are, to stay away from the sea for a couple more days. But the swells are starting to ease in some other areas, and the winds are turning southwest, which is great for surfers. So there's some good conditions going to appear there over the next few days. So just keep that in mind. But very dangerous. Can't emphasise that enough. And we are certainly we're certainly advising people to stay out of the sea on this eastern side. Couple more days. Maybe Thursday it gets a little bit better, but even then, very dangerous currents underneath. As we look at the rain maps now, Wednesday you can see here's the storm just out to the east of the international date line. Still very active, but definitely moving away from us. Cold southerlies in here, and for people who have been watching Weather Watch for a long time, often talked about these highs that go north to south like this, rather than east to west, and a big deep low off our east coast. It drives in this big southerly. If this was the middle of winter, we'd be looking at a snowstorm moving up the country now, but thankfully we're in the middle of March and it's just a bit cooler for some places, and in the very north, barely even much cooler. Now by Thursday, the high is in charge. Here's good news. The high is rolling back through. Showers are around the east coast still, and in fact, even when we go to Friday, still a few showers lingering up there, but the high is in charge. If you want to get our 10-day forecast, we look right out past Aussie, see what's going on. Tune into Country TV Sky Channel 081.